Hello guys, and you all are welcome in electrical engineering. Now we will see a basic problem on the basis of Kirchhoff's current law. Here the problem is given and they ask us to find current flowing through 3 ohm resistance, right? Just wait. Yeah. See guys, here. Okay, just wait. Yeah, all right. Now we can see here this is the problem given, and here we have to apply Kirchhoff's current law to the node A, right? Here I applied the Kirchhoff's current law to node A, and here you can see after the applying law, as you may know Kirchhoff's current law, right? Kirchhoff's current law states that all incoming currents are equals to the all outgoing currents, right? So here whichever currents are incoming and whichever currents are outgoing, these all three currents are outgoing only. See guys, here 9 ampere is given as outgoing current, but these two current direction was not given and it considered by our own. This current direction we consider by our own. You can consider incoming also or outgoing also. What is your you like to take the direction, you can take like that. It's your own convention. And now we will move towards the problem. See, in the problem here I applied the Kirchhoff's current law, right? I am taking all these currents are outgoing, that's why I taken the sum of these all three currents, right? I1 plus I and 9 ampere equals to 0. Then I applied the nodal voltage, right? It's a nodal voltage, and I applied the nodal voltage concept here. What is that? So I1, you can see here, I1 flows from V1 and I1 flows from V1, and this is grounded, right? This is grounded from V1. So I can take I1 as V1 minus 18 volt and divide by 6 ohm resistance. Like that I taken the value for I. What is I here? We can use as VA by 3. We applied as nodal voltage here, nodal voltage concept, and for these 9 ampere is given in the question, right? Now we used to solve this. Here we see the 6 is largest number, so we want to make the denominator same, right? And that's what we multiplied 3 into 2 means the here 6 will comes, and here also we have to divide and multiply by 6. Here is multiplied and divide by 2. We have to do like that. Means I want to say we have to make the denominator same. So I make here the denominator same, and then I used to find the equation. Then after the solving equation I get the value for VA. Okay, I get the value as minus 12 volt, right? From that VA value we can see here by applying the nodal voltage we taken the value of I as VA by 3, right? So here the same concept I used over here. I is nothing but VA by 3, and here I get the VA. So after putting the value I get I as minus 4 ampere. Okay guys, if you have any doubt please comment below. Keep like, sharing and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.